You can use Naviance to connect with an admission counselor visiting your school, find links to application support resources and frequently asked questions, and explore colleges if you're still finalizing where you're applying to. Oh, and you can give your counselors extensive information for stronger letters of recommendation. Here's how. If you scroll down at the bottom, you'll find What's New, and you can see all of the upcoming college representative visits and College Monday workshops to support you throughout the application process. Simply register and then stop by any of the counseling offices to complete a college conference form to attend. You can view all visits upcoming in order by clicking the Colleges tab, Research Colleges, and College Visits. On the left-hand side under Quick Links, you can also add colleges to your Colleges I'm Thinking About list and Colleges I'm Applying to list, which is super important to keep your school up to date on where you are applying. Naviance will also notify you if a college on your list is visiting our campus. To view all resources and links to applications, on the home page, click View All from My School at the bottom. You will find everything from how to order an official transcript to useful information to helping you fill in your common application, FAFSA tips, essay prompts, and more. Lastly, if you're still wondering where to apply, take a look at the Supermatch search on the Colleges tab under Finding Your Fit and put your preference in, like location, major, size, and clubs, and a list of colleges will begin to populate based off of your interests. Click on a university to find an extensive profile with academic averages, program information, videos, and more. Ensure that you're using Naviance to assist you in the college application process.